Let's go back. So the first book was El Arte de Escucharte. Yeah. And then the other one, they picked out, it was 150 biografías de mexicanos ilustres.
150.
Oh, 150, yeah. Yeah, mi esposo escogió ese, so I can't really speak for him. I chose this one, La Inteligencia Emocional. It looks like somebody really, really liked it, you know. Couple, yeah. So yeah, that's it. And hopefully we read them all this time, and we will.
Thank you.
Hello and welcome back. Truly Zuli. Ay, asómate la puerta, muy recién. Oh, it's nice out. Oh, estaba un poco más fresco anteriormente, but anyways, today we are gonna go to the library, our local library, and instead of, we're gonna save some gas and walk. I'm sorry if I look a little drunk up, but yeah, yeah, we're gonna walk and experience la naturaleza, aprovechar the nice weather, because who knows when else we're gonna get a nice sunny weather. I'm sorry si me veo if I turn like this. I don't know. My neck started, this is like the third day that it hurts and everything. I tried asking Google Gemini if I'm dying or what's wrong, but it just doesn't, it can't tell me if I'm dying or not. It just tells me to go to the nearest hospital or just call 911, but I'm not doing that. We're gonna thug it out, so yeah, let's go on a little journey.
Ahorita vamos a hacer unas tomas. Me gustaría hacer unas tomas como caminando así por allá.
That's music to my ears. That's beautiful. But I think late at night I will start tweaking. Here's noises. Maybe. Roly poly! Ah!
Oh, yeah,
Es un roly poly. Yo no sé, estrecho.
Camina si quieres. Yo te grabo. Como la gente se queda viendo cuando está.
I'm a little slow.
Y uno era como que así, ponerla y con esto. Vamos a la playa. ¿A dónde vamos?
A la biblioteca, pero no por manteca.
Pero no te metas.
True. Libros de horror. Uy, qué terror.
Just having fun.
Freestyle.
First
Oh, we are approaching the library. Just a couple more minutes. We're gonna go in there. Fun fact, I did not know this. The first time I actually checked out books, I didn't really, like, ¿cómo se dice? Sabía si, like, te cobraban o no, cuánto tiempo, whatever. Anyway, yo creo que era un mes o 2 meses que te dan. So I checked out like a bunch of books, like maybe the one was yay big and whatever. And tardé como a couple months. Let's say I checked them out last year, maybe around November. I didn't return them till like maybe last week. And cuando regresé, pues, anyway, la primera vez, whatever, guy joked around and he was like, oh, esta vez no te cobro, pero you never know next time. So I checked out more books that same day and I brought them back. Anyway, you can check out up to 40 books. That blew my mind. I was like, 40 books? Wow! If only my public, well, not my public library, but the school library, creo que me dejaban nomás hasta 10 o 5. Pero esta sí te deja hasta 40. So anyway, la segunda vez que regresé estos libros, que también me tardé otra vez, yo me quedé, like, I was like, oh, I'm returning the books and everything. And he's like, okay, that's cool. Y ahí yo me quedé parando, like, you know, like a chill guy. And he said, oh, can I help you with anything else? And I was like, oh, I'm here, I'm waiting for the fee, or what's the fee? And he said, oh, there's no fee. There's no fee on like, ¿cómo se dice? If you return all the books, there's no fee. You can go up to a year and return those books a year later. If you return all the books, there's no fee. Mi librería en la escuela, cuando yo iba a la escuela, me cobraban like, oh my god, yo creo que mi papá se enojaba cuando le decía, y llegó a un tal punto donde ya no podía check out books, so tenía que estar en la librería leyendo. So I had to do what I had to do. So yeah, y cuando vine a regresar los libros, it's funny because el guy de la librería dijo, there's not a lot of people that come and check out books, you know, there's not a lot of you guys. So I'm like, even better, I'm gonna come back. So
today.
Yeah, so today was the day. Porque you know, nowadays they come in discs and CDs. I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. But me as I like to read, I want to read and then learn, kind of imagine in my head, like, oh, what's going on? And you know, read more and more. And my goal is to get back to reading, because when I was in like maybe elementary school up to maybe halfway middle school, I loved reading. But then, yeah, so let's go check out books. I feel like I did a lot of So, aparte, wait, ¿cuál agarraste? Oh, okay. Aparte de los libros que we checked out from the library, they have free books out there, and I grabbed a couple books, as you can see. But yeah,
pero al final, ¿cuántos agarramos?
Al final agarramos
Nada más
5 libros cada, o 3 cada uno, pero yo no me llevé 2 because I couldn't find another one.
Ya, la idea que es leerlos
La idea
todos.
es leerlos, comprometernos, leerlos todos, come back, check out some more, and do the same thing. But we gotta read them all. That's the plan.
Okay.
But yeah, now we're gonna go walk back home and start reading. Oh. Oh, okay. So, I'm sorry again if I look weird. But I'm gonna show you the books that we got. let's start off with the free books. I got this one, The Negotiation Parenting, or What Not to Raise a Brat in Today's Complex World. I'm not saying I have bratty kids, but I have some kids that need to be straightened out, you know. So we're gonna turn 2 books because gentle parenting sometimes does not work, and you know. Agarré este Como Agua para Chocolate. I've seen it, I've heard about it before. I thought it was ¿cómo se dice el otro libro? Street on Mango Street. The Street on Mango. I don't know. You guys know which one I'm talking about, which I liked personally, but it reminded me of that book, so I got it as well. This one, this was my favorite in elementary school. I used to read all of them, so if you know, you know. And then I just got these ones for the kids to read. All right, let's go back. So the first book was El Arte de Escucharte. Yeah. It looks like an okay book, you know. Got little drawings. Yeah, it's just basically a book about, you know, how to hear yourself, your mind, your body, your emotions, the art of just hearing yourself in general and hearing others and hearing your intuition. So, yeah. And then the other one, they picked out, it was 150 biografías de mexicanos ilustres.
150.
Oh, 150, yeah. Yeah, mi esposo escogió esa, so I can't really speak for him. Sapiens, another book that my husband picked out. But yeah, it looks cool. This one looks cool. I might read it. Otra que my husband chose was El Libro de los Negocios. So, which is pretty good. This was one of the books that we actually got the first time and we never really got to it, but we're getting to it now. I chose this one, La Inteligencia Emocional. It looks like somebody really, really liked it, you know. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. And hopefully we read them all this time, and we will. So.
No.
Alright, so that concludes today's vlog. I'm gonna, throughout this whole week, I'm gonna read at least 10 pages or a little more each day, and hopefully a little bit more forward, do a little vlog and explain about the books and everything, and what I liked about it, what I didn't like about it, what I learned from. Sí, te digo, muchos leedores. But yeah, stay tuned, and yeah, enjoy.
Con razón se veía pixeleado. Chica, ¿por qué se ve así? Pero a ver, platícame, ¿por qué no vas a leer este? Platícame.
Ves el dicho que dicen save the best for last.
Ah, ok, ya entiendo. Pensé que porque había sido muy, muy duro para ti.
Bueno, la verdad, mira. Lo abrí y dije, la inteligencia emocional. Y ya dije, ok. Y se para Tara. Digo, ok. Y ya leí y digo, ok. Y ya empezamos a los agradecimientos y dije, uy. La letra está muy chiquita.
No tiene dibujitos.
Le pasé a la otra. Y dije, ¡ay! Más letras chiquitas. Y en eso que estaba tratando de leer, me acordé y dije, chingue, tengo que hacer mi cita de lentes otra vez. Cerré el libro. Dije, cuando ya me lleguen mis lentes, lo voy a leer. Y honestamente nomás lo abrí y vi el quote,
Yeah.
el view, ¿no? Y pues me acordé que pues es lo que puso mi esposo en su Facebook y pues ya que lo voy a agarrar, pero más no me fijé que las letras estaban chuecas. Y ya pues este sí tiene dibujitos y las letras están más grandes y pues ya tengo que comenzar con el más distraído. So, ya empezar.